Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. It's a sharp 2016 Ford F350. This is the ultimate dually, total luxury. It's a crew cab 4-wheel drive Lariat, loaded with every option available. Oxford white is the color. It does have the towing package, backup camera. It's got the fifth wheel already hooked up. Got the ladder, comes out of the tailgate. Bed liner. It's got a nice set of Nitto tires. About 2,500 bucks. They're aggressive looking, but they ride real good. Not too much noise. Real stable. Very comfortable ride. Got automatic headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, bug shield. Got the vent shades. Got a nice feature on a diesel truck. Got remote engine start. You just lock it, push this button twice. Cranks right up. These new diesels are real quiet. Going down the road, you can't even tell it's a diesel. It does have a clean Carfax. Local trade-in. Actually, I sold this truck about a year ago to a couple. They bought this in a camper from me, and their lifestyle has changed, so I got the truck back, and it's just the way it was when I sold it to them. Like new condition. They didn't use it much. Got power windows, power locks, power folding mirrors. You push this if you're in a tight space, especially with a truck this big, a garage or a car wash, you can fold them in. Oh, you gotta have the ignition on, but these pull out and in the tow mirrors. Memory seat. You've got heated and cool leather seats in like new condition. No sign of wear, no stains. Truck still smells new. Got power seat on both sides, lumbar support, adjustable power pedals, automatic headlights. Got clean carpets and floor mats. I'm trying to think of everything, but it's loaded. All you do now is take the ignition. Key in the ignition, and look at the miles. That's correct, 10,451 miles. Crazy low miles. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Got all your audio control on the steering wheel, voice command, cruise control. Does have the tow mode with manual shift. Got all your trip computer information here. Off-road gauges. We'll go up here. Nice little storage compartment with some USB inputs. It's got the SD card for the navigation. Nice touchscreen. There's a heated seat, air conditioning seat. It's got dual climate control. All kind of buttons. Got your navigation. Beautiful layout. Got travel link. You can get the weather. How about that? The forecast. You can get the map, see if it's raining nearby. No rain around us right now. You got the fuel price. Let's see. Search area. There we go. Well, it was doing it. I just hit it. But anyway, it's like having the internet going down the road. Got your CD player. It does have the upgraded sound system from Sony. Shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive. Traction control, exhaust brake. It's real handy when you got heavy loads. You can help slow you down. Outlet, factory trailer brake controller, auxiliary switch for some accessories. Got a 110 outlet, another 12-volt outlet. Plenty of cup holders. You can take this out and move it around. Need more space. Coin holder, a lot more storage, and another outlet. I do have the exit key, owner's manual. Truck's like new. Automatic dimming rear view mirror. Moonroof. Power sliding rear glass. This thing's got some buttons. Full-size 4-door. Lots of space, lots of leg room. These raise up with a lockable storage compartment. You do have an armrest with cup holders. Another 110 outlet. Some vents. Here's your fuel and the DEF fluid. Good looking tires. Polished aluminum wheels. These tires are 35, 12 and a half, 17. Body's in good shape. Man, it's as new as it gets for a used truck. Got the nice running board, which you need. Makes it easy to get in and out. Power seat, lumbar support. Got it all. Rust-free frame. No mud. Got the reliable 6.7 liter V8 turbo diesel. Plenty of power, decent fuel mileage. I've seen these with a bunch of miles on them. If you take care of them, they last a long time. If you're looking for an awesome truck and don't want to spend $75,000, this should do it. It's even got block heater for cold climates. You can plug it up. I'm trying to think of everything. It's one awesome machine. We do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. I have a credit application on my website, so you can fill that out. I can get to work, see what we can do for you. To see if this F350 is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call or text me anytime, 731-686-8800. I forgot to show you the backup camera. When you put in reverse, it shows you what's behind you. You can see in the pictures. Thank you for watching and come and see us.